So in this video, we are going to discuss about sequence detector. So 101 is a sequence which we are going to detect. So for this one, let us go to File, New Project. Click Next. RTL project. Board, you select board as basis board. Give Finish. Click Design Source. Create File. So you're going to write the sequence detector program. So give Finish. Give OK.
Oh yeah,
So this is my sequence detector program. So let me copy this program. Yeah. And I'm going to paste it here. So what is a program is a module sequence detector is the name of the file. Clock, machine, reset. You have reset and in sequence. In sequence represent the value of input, and sequence detected means sequence detector is my output. Okay. So clock, reset, and in sequence are my input, and output is sequence detected. Okay. So you have since 101 you have only 3 states. Okay, so I'm going to give 3 state. Okay,
got a meeting down. So it's
0 1 2. Okay, the next state values 2-bit, because in order to represent this 3 state, I'm going to use 0 0 0 1 and 1 1 1 0 or 1 1. Okay, so it is, since it is a 2-bit, I'm representing it as register 1 is 0 next state, and present totals also have a 2-bit value. So always at the positive edge of the clock. If machine reset is 1, okay, begin present state is equal to state 0. So I have to give the machine reset as 1. So if machine reset is 1, the present state value is state 0, and the sequence detected is 1-bit binary value is 0. So you have to end this one. Okay. Yes. So if the machine reset value is 0 means you have to assign the present state is equal to next state. Okay. So this end is for this begin. Okay. If you have 2 end begin, you must have 2 end. So always at begin case, if present state value is 0, if the present state value is state 0, so what will be the next state? The next state is equal to, if the next state value is 1, okay, if the next state value is 1, it will goes to state 1, or it will be remaining state 0. Okay. Next, for the state 1, if the present state is state 1, what will be the next state? The next state will be, if it is 1, it will be in the same state. Okay, it will be in the same state as state 1. Okay. State 1, or it will go to the state 2. Okay. So you have state 2. The state 2 value, if it is 1 or 0, it will go to, if state 1 means it will go to state 0, or else also it will go to state 0 only. Okay. So what is the default state? The default state is state 0. Okay, if there is no case statement means it will go to the next state value will be state 0 only. So the end case, then I'll give end for this begin. Okay, so always at this one begin, case present state. Okay, the state 0 is equal state 0. If it is state 0, so sequence detector, the sequence will not be detected. Okay, at state 0. Okay, and at the state 1, when it is in the state 1, okay, state 1, the sequence detected, no, the sequence will not be detected, and at state 2, okay, the state 2, the sequence will be detected. So I have to write this, okay. State 2, sequence detected. So if the in sequence is 1 means the output will be 1. Otherwise it will be 0. Okay. So default status sequence detected as sequence detector value is 0. End case end and the end module. So you save this program. Okay. Next I'm going.
I'm not getting anything detail. But yeah, it is dated. And they include
Okay. So you click the test bench program. So you copy the test bench program. So here the registers are input that clock in reset in sequence, and the wire is given as output. So the sequence detected sequence clock ancient reset in sequence and sequence detected initial begin clock value is 1 forever. After 5 nanosecond it will be 0 and it will goes on. So next initial begin, so the reset value should be 1. So after 15 nanosecond it becomes 0. So and I have given the inputs. Okay, so finish, and I'm going to save this project.
He's an auditor. I put me.
So if you see, so initially the reset value is 0. So initially the reset value is 1. So my output goes to the in sequence is 0 and in sequence is X and output detected is 0. Okay. So on initial value. So okay. Next. So the reset value is going to 0, and you can see how many times I'm getting the output for 3 times. Okay, so if you see the input, the in sequence 101 is here I have 101, and again I'm having 101 at this point. So 101. So second time I'm getting 101, and at the third time also I'm getting 101. Okay, so why I'm not considering this 101 and and this 1801 means because it is a because it is overlapping. Okay, so one, then this second time, and third time. So on 3 times I'm getting the output. Okay, the output get detected.